I see a lot of people get confused about law of assumption and how to manifest using this law. So I'm going to explain a few things and give you some tips so that you can use this law properly. Because once you know the how, things will start moving in your direction. Hi, my name is Kari, and I'm your guide on your spiritual journey. I help people find their purpose and live a mindful life. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. Without wasting any moment, let's dive into the video. Law of assumption is gaining more popularity, all thanks to Neville Goddard. I don't know if that's how you pronounce the name. He wrote many books such as The Power of Awareness, Feeling is the Secret, and so many more. But these are my favorite books, and if you want to check them out, I'll put the links in the description. He teaches the way you create anything you desire is by simply assuming the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. The reason is that nothing exists outside of your consciousness, and everything, all the experiences that you have is a direct representation of where your consciousness is. So to change anything in your life, you have to change the beliefs and the assumptions you hold about that thing. Normally we say that I will believe it when I'll see it, or I will be happy when I will find my soulmate, or I will start taking care of my health once I'll have more time. But there is a small problem here, because according to the law of vibration, you have to vibrate on the level of your manifestations. I'll give you an example. Let's say you're vibrating here. So this is a scale from 0 to 100, and your manifestations are here at, let's say, 80, and you're at 40. So you will only attract where you are and who you are. So you will only attract things that are in alignment with your vibration. So to have these manifestations in your life, you have to raise your vibration. So you have to vibrate at 80 so that you can attract these manifestations, these things that are vibrating at 80. So this is just the simple example of how law of vibration works. So to change your vibration, you have to start assuming that you're vibrating at a higher frequency. You have to start taking action. You have to use visualization. And when you're doing all these things, eventually your vibration will be increased, and then you will start attracting things into your life. Because when we are using visualization, your brain doesn't know the difference in between the real and the imaginary. So when you are seeing your manifestations happening in your imagination, you are increasing your vibration, and now you are vibrating at a higher frequency. And when you do this on repeat and you're taking the necessary action, your subconscious will show you the next step, your next book, your next date that will ultimately lead you to your manifestations and your goals. I made a video about the signs that your manifestation is real. If you want to check that out, I'll put the card here. And also, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button. This will help my video to get more recognition in the YouTube world. So as we talked about a few things about law of assumptions, the first thing is visualization. So tap into the power of visualization. Maybe in the morning or in the night or whenever you have time, take that 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes every single day to visualize your dreams, visualize your manifestations, because you have to see the things in your imagination so that you can bring them into your physical world. Next one is assume. Start assuming things. So what I like to do in the morning is when I'm waking up, I like to feel that I'm already that person. So for example, I'm getting out of the bed as that person that I'm trying to manifest in my future. So in that way, I'm channeling my future self. I'm bringing that energy into my present. And whenever you do something, you're learning a new skill, you're making this video, feel that you already are that person. For example, for me, making videos and talking to people and teaching people about meditation, manifestations, and finding their purpose was really hard for me. But I started assuming that I am already that person. Right now I'm making this video. Yes, I am making YouTube videos. If I'm teaching a class, yes, I am a meditation teacher. So apply this in your life. Whenever you take an action, feel and believe and assume that you are your future self. Because when your future self will come, that would be also you. There won't be another person, it will be you, right? So you have this power to assume, to vibrate on a higher level. It takes practice. Keep on doing all these things. Visualize, assume. And the next thing that I want to talk about is thank you performance. Thank you performance is very personal to you. And this is something that I created through my years of experience trying different techniques and things that are working for me and things that are not working for me. So this is something that you need to do. Find 5 to 10 minutes in your day, and when you're by yourself, right? So you want to do this when you're on your own. Now you have to assume that your manifestation has become real. You have manifested this dream. You have manifested this goal. Maybe it's your partner, maybe it's your business, maybe it's your job. It can be anything. Maybe it's your dream house, right? Whatever it is, whatever your manifestations are, you have to assume that it has been already manifested. Now you have a few people around you, or maybe if you're a movie star, singer, or whatever, you have this big concert, and now you're gonna perform in front of those people, or maybe you're gonna do a speech in front of those people and share how was your experience. I'm so grateful that I am here. I have already manifested this. I cannot believe it. I did this and that, and thank you so much for XYZ people coming here on my event, and I'm so happy. So you are going to try all these things because this is going to be really personal to you. What your manifestation is, what your goal is, right? And when you do this on a daily basis, you are going to raise your vibration. And when your vibration is raised, remember when we were talking about how on that scale of your vibration, you will start manifesting those things into your life. And the last one is repeat, repeat, repeat. I've already talked about this, but I'm gonna say it again. You have to repeat the same thing again and again so that it's ingrained in your subconscious mind. Neville said, "Dare to believe in the reality of your assumptions and watch the world play its part relative to its fulfillment." All right, this is how you're gonna use law of assumption in your life. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check these videos for more information. All right, sending you so much love and light.